Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adri, welcome. Today I am finally sitting down to film my October favorites video, so let's just get started. My first product is a hair oil. It is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosehip Argan Oil and Coconut Oil Blend. I really like this because it gives my hair like a soft, shiny effect, and it really kind of gets rid of the frizz that I have going on here. I just feel like since moving to Colorado, my hair has been kind of dry. One little pump. And it's an oil. I don't want my top of my head to look really oily, so I'm going to start at the bottom. If you guys can see this or not. Ooh, we see that already? With the leftovers, I'm just going to pop it up here. So you can apply this to your damp hair before you dry it, or you can apply it like I just did to my dry hair, and I think it really made a difference. I'm gonna move on to makeup. I have been loving this lip product. I cannot wait to get more colors of it, but it is the Nudestix Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. This one is in the color Bahama Mama, and it is so pretty. I love the applicator because I can put it on without, I'm not wearing it today, but I can put it on without having to wear like a lip liner. It just feels so creamy. The reason I really like this formula is because it's a matte, but doesn't dry down all the way, so I don't get those you can't see the dry creases in my lips, you know what I mean? That's why I really don't like liquid lipsticks, but this one, it just feels so creamy when you're wearing it, and it looks matte, so I love that. This is what it looks like. I had never heard of this brand before working at Sephora, and I heard that it's really big in Canada. So all my lovely Canadians, let me know down in the comments if you love Nudestix or what, because why has no one ever told me about this before I started working at Sephora, because I love these. So I used to use these all the time, but I have recently refounded my love for them. It is the Lilly lashes in the style Miami Lite. It's the ones I'm wearing today. The reason that I really love them, because I love the Miami ones, don't get me wrong, but those are very extra, and I like being extra, but I like to wear those to Vegas and stuff like that. These light ones are the same style, but just a little lighter. So they literally feel so weightless on my eyelids. I literally can't even feel them right now. I have a bunch of different lashes that just kind of weigh my eyelids down, but these ones feel so good on my eyelids. Love them. Will be repurchasing over and over. You know how usually Lilly lashes are $30? Well, these ones were only $15. So check these out because they are amazing. So this next one is kind of expensive. It is such a goodie. It is the Giorgio Armani Classico Mascara in Eyes to Kill. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wore it on my bottom lashes. Can you see? I love this mascara, and it's so nice because it gives you buildable length and volume. You're definitely getting a very voluminous look with this. I just feel like this bristle weave brush really gets each and every lash of mine, you know? It just doesn't miss anything because it's so jumbo. I think when you wear this mascara alone, it really makes your eye just pop. I have not experienced any smudging or clumping with this mascara, which are two values that I really look for in a mascara. So if you're looking for a luxurious high-end mascara, I really recommend this one. It is so good. So this normally retails for $32, but as of today, November 5th, currently it is on sale at Nordstrom for $27.20, so just a few dollars off. Okay, so this next one has really mixed reviews, but I decided to put it on here still because I still have been using it every day, despite the fact that I have been experiencing the same thing that these other people have not been liking about the product. It is the Makeup by Mario Master Secret Glow Highlighter. Can you see, it's glowing? I just feel like it's definitely better than any other powder highlighter that I've used. I think it just looks so natural. You can even wear it on no makeup days, and it's just so beautiful. So the one thing that everyone has been complaining about though is that it's sticky, okay? I thought it dried down when I was first using it. I wore it to work, so I wore my mask, and then I thought it was dry, but at the end of the day, really it just, my mask took it off. It doesn't dry down all the way, and it is sticky. I really like how it looks, so I keep wearing it. My hair right now it's touching it almost, but it's not sticking to it. But if I go like this, look, see how it's sticking? My hair doesn't stick that much to the product, but it'd be really nice if you had a slick back ponytail and you didn't have to wear a mask that day. That'd be ideal. But I think it looks good, so I'm gonna compare this to lip gloss, right? It looks good, it's sticky, our hair sticks to it, but we still wear it. So it's pretty much the same thing. I really still love this product. I love the way it looks. Some people in the reviews said it takes off your makeup, but that's because you have to dab it on and not drag. Dab before you drag, remember? I still love it despite the mixed reviews, okay? So I have a bunch of complexion products coming up. The first one is the Rare Beauty Illuminizing Primer. Okay, let me tell you that this is very illuminizing, but I think it looks so pretty underneath like luminous foundations or natural foundations, which are my kind of favorite foundations. So that's why it's on this list. Some people have been saying that it is too luminizing, but I mean, I always want to be luminous, so I don't have a problem with it. I'll show you. I'm sure you've seen it before, but it's very pearly, and that's not some people's thing, you know what I mean? So this is what it looks like. I put way too much. Okay, look how pretty it is. I think it's so pretty. And underneath your foundation, you know, it's not going to be like crazy like this. I feel like this is very versatile. I feel like you can use it as like just a highlighter alone. If you didn't want your whole face to be luminous, you could just put it on like the high points of your face. I really like it. I really like the way it feels. I like the way that it works. Besides her dewy lip balms, I think this is the second favorite product from her line that I like so far. I have been using this a lot lately. I mean like a lot, because I don't always want to wear like a full foundation every single day. So it is the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 25. So it's not that high in SPF, but it's something, you know. I have the color Light Medium. So they're calling this an all-in-one because it works as a primer, a moisturizer, and it perfects and protects with SPF 25. Like, I love this. So it is a very light coverage tinted moisturizer. It is good for all skin types, and it has a natural finish. Like, that's what I love. I love natural finishes. It's like literally butter. I love this. It just blends into your skin so well. Yeah, it's so natural looking. Ugh. This one comes in 12 shades, and it's a tinted moisturizer, so they kind of just like blend into your skin. So this moisturizes your skin for up to 24 hours. So it helps plump and promote supple skin over time. You know what I mean? You keep wearing it and it has these skin benefits in it that is just like plumping you up. Okay, let me just read this part for you because it has rose extract, hyaluronic acid, my fave, niacinamide, goji berries, gold, and peptides. No wonder it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Breathable, vegan, and oil-free formula moisturizes, conditions, and protects. I'm telling you guys, this is good stuff. I love it especially because like right now when I have a mask on, do I really need to use my expensive like full coverage foundations? No. So I just use this every day while I go to work. Usually this every day when I go out or to work or to the gym or something, just a little bit of coverage. It also has skincare and SPF in it, so it's doing me some favors too. So the next one is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation. I really like this. It is a medium coverage natural finish, like I love. There's a theme going on here. It's good for all skin types, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which I love. And it also has aloe vera. So both of these combined are going to instantly hydrate and visibly smooth your skin. Oh yeah, and I have the shade Tan Warm 41, but this is too dark for me. I ordered this before it came out, because I work at Sephora, and I had to guess what shade I was, and I guessed totally wrong, so I'm gonna have to get a different one. Right here on the bottle, the front of the bottle says improves bare skin in 2 weeks. So it has this thing called Heapy's acid. I know it doesn't sound very pleasing, but so it gently exfoliates your skin, like just giving you a brighter complexion over time. So you keep using this, you're gonna look brighter, you're gonna look plump, you're gonna look hydrated, you're gonna look smooth. This, I love IT Cosmetics because they really keep skincare in mind, you know what I mean? And another good thing that it has is vitamin E and vitamin B5. Both of these are going to hydrate your skin. They're going to fight free radicals to prevent aging, so get this. Oh, and also a really good thing about this is that it comes in 40 shades. So I don't have the right color. Oh, I'll show you what this one looks like on my hand. This is Tan Warm 41. It's not my color. It's just a little bit darker than what I am right now, so. The only thing I think it does not have is SPF, which is very strange because the IT Cosmetics Tinted Moisturizer is like the highest SPF that we have in the store. So, I mean, with like a foundation, like a Tinted Moisturizer foundation situation, it has SPF 50 and this doesn't have any, so that's very strange. Maybe they want you to like stack them, I don't know. But it doesn't have SPF, so that's just something to think about. I almost dropped it. Okay, it's fine, fine. So yeah, this is a really, really, really good product if you're looking for a foundation that also includes skincare. So we had a light, medium, and now we have a full coverage foundation. Is the new NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I actually really, really do love this foundation, which is very surprising to me because I'm not a matte type of girl typically, but it looks so nice on the skin. I'm not really surprised. I do love NARS products, so I knew they would come out with a really, really good foundation. I have this color Stromboli and it's medium 3. I guess, like I said before, I ordered this before they came out because I work at Sephora and I guessed the wrong shade, okay? So I'm gonna show you. I just get really light really fast in the winter and I'm already getting pretty light, so this is too dark for me, but I will show you. So this is Stromboli. I think it looks so natural. Like, the reason I don't like matte foundations is because they don't look that natural to me. I think this one actually does look pretty natural. They market it as good for all skin types. It also has hyaluronic acid. There's so many themes here with today's video. I'm just here for skincare infused makeup these days, you know what I mean? Like, why not do a 2-for-1? So this is specifically good for oily skin types because it has microalgae and biohyaluronic acid. So both of these are able to absorb excess sebum. So if you have oily skin, it just absorbs it, okay? So both of those also actually protect your skin from pollution and blue light damage. So if you're in front of a screen all day, wear your foundation, girl. So 3 really good things about this are that it is a 16-hour wear foundation. 16 hours is long enough for me. I don't know about you, but it's oxidation resistant. And I think the best thing about this is it is transfer resistant because we're all wearing masks these days. That is so, 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 so important in makeup. So we have one more makeup product. It is another complexion product. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. You guys, I'm not wearing this today because I cannot find a fluffy brush to save my life. Oh, actually I have this brush. This isn't the brush I would use to apply this. I would use a fluffier, less condensed brush, but I'm just gonna use this Fenty brush to show you. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is so sad. You can't see it on the camera, but follow me on Instagram and I'll try to post the difference between the two. Oh, maybe you can see it here. It's a medium coverage, natural finish, pressed powder, and it is good for all skin types. If you're oily or you have an oily T-zone like I do, you can put it in your purse with you. And you know, I have to go powder my nose. This is really good for that, but you do need like some type of big fluffy brush to apply it with. This powder really just gives you that extra oomph, you know what I mean? Like, it just gives you like this, it literally looks like you have an Instagram filter on your face. I talked about it in one of my other videos if you want to go learn more about it, but it is some good stuff. Okay? So I don't think I told you guys yet, but I very, very last minute moved from Denver to Portland. So I was very, very stressed. My skin was getting already really dry and like lots of breakouts. I got this in gratis from working at Sephora. So I saw that I had it and I was like, oh, it says on the bottle, Stressed Skin Saver. And I was like, well, sign me up. Because yes, my skin was so stressed. So it is the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream. So I've used quite a bit of this already. Like, I'm telling you, I really, really like this stuff. It is a pretty thick cream. It says AM and PM, but it's so thick to me that I wouldn't want to wear it in the AM. I just think it feels kind of heavy, but it saved my skin, you guys. So it's only good for normal and dry skin. So sorry if you combo and oily people, but this one is... So the main thing that it tackles is redness and dryness, and I was just having so much redness and lots of dryness from living in Colorado and then going like switching climates. So this really, really saved my skin. I still have some breakouts on here. That's not what it like is for, but it is amazing for redness and dryness. If you have redness and dryness, get this because it is so nice. And it also just feels really, really soothing. That's my favorite part, is I just put it on and I just feel like I'm actually doing something really good for my skin. I'm still in the process of saving my skin because I just moved like this week, but so I'm still using it. It's so far so good. Love it. Okay, so this next one I have been selling so much to clients because I really, really, truly do love this. I bought one for my brother because he was complaining about having large pores. I bought one for myself and it is so good. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. So I've been using this for about 2.5 months, I think, and that's only how much I've dented. Almost every single night and every single morning I use this. So it has PHAs and BHAs, which are, you know, light chemical exfoliants that are going to really dig deep seep into your pores and then clean them from the inside out. It has watermelon and cactus, so those are both really hydrating for your skin. Keeps you hydrated and it minimizes your pores are the main things that it does. And I want to mention that it is good for all skin types. It's very gentle and it smells, okay, personally, I cannot smell watermelon. All I smell is cactus because it has cactus and watermelon. My brother said it smells like watermelon, so it is so good, and it really helps to minimize your pores. So if you have large pores. So next I have a couple of random like household products. I'll start with a mask, such a 2020 item. So it's the Fashion Nova mask. One side is gray and one side is black. I usually use it with the black side out. It's just a regular, schmegular mask. But it was really cheap, and I get so many compliments on this. Isn't that so weird, getting the compliment on your mask? But I really do. I gave a whole bunch to my friends and my mom and dad and stuff, so they've also really been loving it. I'm not gonna say it doesn't like cause breakouts because it's just a piece of cotton. It's nothing special, but it is really nice and cheap and basic, and it's something that we all need these days. So check the Fashion Nova ones out. Who would have guessed a Fashion Nova had it? They have a bunch of like graphic ones too, but I just like the price and the quality that you get with the Fashion Nova masks, so recommend these. The next one is something that is way too big to carry to my beauty room. So it is the Frost Guard Deluxe Plus Mirror Covers. I have had this for a couple of years, but I really needed it the last couple of weeks living in Colorado because it was very snowy. So this is basically a cover for your windshield, and it's to protect it from ice. So literally you put it on your windshield and you put the little loops on around your mirrors, and then there's like a little thing that hangs off so you can put it inside your door and close it so nobody can steal it. And then there are two mirror covers, so you just pull the little thing and they cover your mirrors so your mirrors don't get icy either. So you come out in the morning and your car is literally covered in snow everywhere, but all you have to do is take one side of the thing, pull it off, and there's no ice, no snow on your windshield. You don't have to wait for that to thaw, you know what I mean? Like if I forget to put this on one night, I like am punching myself because I'm like, why did you forget? Because this is so useful if you live in a place that snows in the winter, or it doesn't even have to snow. If it just gets so cold, like here in Portland, it'll get so cold. It wasn't snowing, but it was like wet, and it freezes our windshield. So it's really nice to have if you live in a place that gets cold in the winter. So it comes in a small version and a big version, like trucks and stuff like that. The design that I have is called Snowdrift. So it has little, it's gray with like little snowflakes on it. It's so cute. But it does come in different styles and sizes. So definitely go ahead and check that out. It is so adorable. Definitely worth the buy if you live somewhere where it's cold in the winter. So the next one is for my dog lovers. It is the Organic Snout Soother from the Natural Dog Company. I clearly love this. I am almost all the way out. I have been using this like crazy because when the weather changes, gets colder, my dog's nose like just dries up just like me, just like my skin. Her tongue isn't long enough to reach her nose, so she really needs the extra help. So this is really good, really soothing to her nose. It has, I don't have any before and after pictures of my dog, but maybe if they have some, I'll put them here. But it literally works wonders on my dog's nose. So if your dog has a really dry nose, this is definitely the way to go. I clearly love it and I need some more. So this next one, I didn't really buy myself. My friend bought it for me, and I have never had one, have always wanted one, and now I have one. It is pepper spray. So this brand is Sabre. I don't know if it matters, the brand. I didn't try it out, okay? But it just makes you have a sense of security. Just walking my dog, I feel safer. I mean, my dog is a pit bull, so I already feel safe walking with her, but since I have this, I feel extra safe. If you don't have a pepper spray, you should get one because why not? It was like $10, I think, at Walmart or something. So we went on a road trip, me and my friend, both just two girls on a road trip. We needed some form of protection. We had our pepper spray and our pit bull. So we were totally protected. This is so nice to have, and it just has like a little keychain situation. You can put it on your keys. I wear my keys around my neck so I can put it on my keys. I can put it anywhere really. I'm just in my pocket. And this one, you just flip the thing and then press it down. You should definitely get one if you do not have one. Alright you guys, that is it for my October favorites video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate you. I'll see you guys next time.